Welcome to WGU Prep YouTube channel. Access all practice questions. Anatomy and Physiology 2. Practice questions with answers. Question 1. Which of the following structures is responsible for the production of cerebrospinal fluid? A choroid plexus. B. Pineal gland. C. Thalamus. D. Hypothalamus. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is a choroid plexus. Explanation. The choroid plexus is responsible for the production of cerebrospinal fluid in the ventricles of the brain. Question 2. What is the primary function of the left ventricle of the heart? A. Pumping oxygenated blood to the body. B. Pumping deoxygenated blood to the lungs. C. Pumping deoxygenated blood to the body. D. Receiving oxygenated blood from the lungs. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Pumping oxygenated blood to the body. Explanation. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body through the aorta. Question 3. Which of the following bones is part of the axial skeleton? A. Femur. B. Scapula. C. Tibia. D. Patella. The correct answer is A. Femur. Explanation. The femur is part of the axial skeleton, which includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. Question 4. Which structure is involved in the process of gas exchange in the lungs? A. Alveoli. B. Bronchioles. C. Capillaries. D. Trachea. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Alveoli. Explanation. Gas exchange occurs in the alveoli, where oxygen diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses out. Question 5. The largest part of the brain responsible for voluntary motor control is the A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Cerebrum. D. Occipital lobe. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Cerebrum. Explanation. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for voluntary motor control, sensory perception, and cognition. Question 6. What type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? A. Artery. B. Vein. C. Lymphatic vessel. D. Lymph node. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Artery. Explanation. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart, while veins carry blood toward the heart. Question 8. Which hormone regulates blood glucose levels? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Cortisol. D. Thyroxine. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Insulin. Explanation. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas that helps regulate blood glucose levels by promoting glucose uptake into cells. Question 8. The process by which oxygen is delivered to tissues and carbon dioxide is removed is called A. Circulation. B. Respiration. C. Digestion. D. Excretion. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Respiration. Explanation. The process by which oxygen is delivered to tissues and carbon dioxide is removed is called respiration. Question 9. What is the main function of the renal system? A. Filtration. B. Reabsorption. C. Secretion. D. absorption. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Filtration. Explanation. The main function of the renal system is to filter blood, remove waste products, and regulate fluid and electrolyte balance. Question 10. The structure that connects the kidney to the bladder is the A. Ureter, B. Urethra, C. Renal pelvis, D. Urethra. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Ureter. Explanation. The ureter is the tube that connects the kidneys to the bladder, allowing urine to flow from the kidneys to be stored in the bladder. Thank you for watching. For more practice questions, subscribe to our website at WGUPracticeQuestions.com.